Good morning. The COVID cases between the two countries, India and US, if you see the distance between the COVID cases between India and US is slowly coming closer. That means as the number of coronavirus infection cases rises in India, so it is India is it's about to touch the figure which US is having. But at the same time, if you see the data, then you will reflect that the death rate who in COVID cases are in India, the death rate is very low due to coronavirus compared to the deaths that happen in US or Brazil. But this is the data set, but the death rate might increase and it can touch or it can cross the death rate that we have seen in Brazil and US, because India right now is facing a big problem, and that is shortage of oxygen. Shortage of oxygen we are seeing now in various states, and gradually it is coming out on open platform that to fight against this deadly coronavirus, India is having a problem of oxygen. Now, a shortage of medical oxygen can be heard by a number of private hospitals who are telling to the government or state that they are not getting they don't have the oxygen cylinder which will meet their daily requirement. It is coming out from private hospitals. Now various states in India have said these problems gradually we are seeing. Now oxygen, we in India have an oxygen production number of oxygen production companies. So production of oxygen is not a problem. The problem is the cylinder. Is the problem, is the concern, and at the same time taking the cylinder, the oxygen cylinder from the plant to the private hospital is also a big concern in this time of pandemic. Now, if you see that coronavirus, people who get infected by coronavirus get these symptoms like fever, fatigue, then coughing, and very dangerously they have this breathing problem. And lakhs and people, not only in India, around the globe, has been saved because of oxygen. Now WHO is also saying WHO said in the month of July 2020 that because the coronavirus infection is gradually rising globally, there will be WHO has said in the month of July that there will be a shortage of oxygen equipment, that which WHO has already given in the month of July, and India is gradually facing this problem. Now US, if you see, US government has done this shortage or problem of oxygen has been properly tackled by US government. We have seen the US has gone for emergency plan for when they found that there is going to be an oxygen cylinder or oxygen problem. They have gone for emergency plant, and they have already also did very well so that the emergency plant was set, and from the emergency plant they made all the necessary arrangements so that the oxygen cylinder can reach to the private hospital. This was very nicely tackled by US, but still, if you see, US has the number of death rate is more than India. Now in the state of Maharashtra, Maharashtra is the worst, we can say the badly hit state where the coronavirus infection patients are more than 10 lakh, and the people of Maharashtra and the state, and Uddhav Thackeray has already said there is and he was very much concerned about this oxygen issues, and people of Maharashtra from several districts has planned their own plant for oxygen, or they have on emergency basis converted any building into medical oxygen production plant. So as Maharashtra is facing a problem of oxygen, people from several districts has already planned oxygen plants, and at the same time on emergency basis, and also they have converted building into medical oxygen production plant. So these are when people are having some shortage of problem, then the people of Maharashtra has taken this step so that they can minimize the oxygen issue. I know the other state, like this kind of similar problem of oxygen shortage can be seen in Gujarat, Karnataka, Punjab, as well as in Jammu and Kashmir can also be seen. Now, for example, if Punjab, they needed, if you see the data for Punjab, they need 1000 jumbo cylinder per day in the month of April. So in the month of April, Punjab government needed 1000 jumbo cylinder, gas cylinder, means that big one, jumbo big cylinder per day. Now Punjab government needs 10,000 jumbo cylinder daily. So you can understand, as the number of coronavirus infection patients get increased, the demand for oxygen cylinder has also gone up. So Punjab government has gone for a nodal officer who will only concentrate on medical oxygen. Now, whatever oxygen will be produced will be the Punjab government has taken a step that whatever oxygen will be produced will go to the hospital, and the oxygen which are needed for industries has been on a pause. Means whatever oxygen, because see, I will tell you, oxygens are of two types. One is your purified oxygen cylinder, and another one is liquid oxygen. And this liquid oxygens are used for this in industry, like in thermal power plant, then the steel, iron and steel cutting. So liquid oxygen is used. So Punjab government has said whatever oxygen will be produced will go to the private or will be for medical oxygen, will be for patient. Industrial work has been stopped right now. So the target right now for the now the central government has already started giving support to the state government and individual state government who are facing this crisis. Now the target is to produce medical oxygen cylinder. Medical oxygen cylinder needs to be produced at maximum level. But this is the thing. But if this problem is not solved by the state and the central, then India will face a problem. And we have already started facing that. For Madhya Pradesh, 4 COVID patients died due to oxygen issue. There was a problem in the there was not availability of oxygen, so that's why they was died. Now, if you see, India is a big, is the number of coronavirus infection is rising. There's a problem of oxygen cylinder. Now it's an open platform. Now, not only India, globally, there will be number of countries in Africa and other countries will suffer, will have oxygen cylinder problem in future if all global countries, powerful countries don't join hand together. All countries should join hand together and start to go for oxygen plant, and so that ready oxygen can be supplied to private hospitals or government hospitals for medical need. This can only be done when on global platform all countries join hand and do something globally, just like they did in ventilators case. When there was a shortage of ventilators and we need lots of ventilators, US, Russia, India, etc., lots of countries were supplying ventilators and helping each other. Same thing needs to be done for the oxygen cylinder, because today if India is facing problem, tomorrow lots of other countries, especially African countries, will have this problem, and this problem can be solved if similar type of things needs to be done, which we have seen in case of ventilators. So yes, there is a problem, but hopefully this problem will be solved in a course of time. Thank you very much.